Hi guys, this is Amy with Found Things Art, and today I'm going to demonstrate the beautifully textured herringbone double crochet stitch. And we are just going to use any old yarn and any old hook that you're working on with your project. So this is really simple. If you already know how to double crochet, you'll be able to get it really easy. So we're going to begin with yarning over, inserting our hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through one loop, that first one right there. Yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, and pull through two loops. And there you go. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through one loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop, two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through two loops. Voila! Awesome texture. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert into your hook or into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through that first loop with two loops on the hook, yarn over, go through one loop, yarn over, and go through two loops. And there you go. You have learned the herringbone double crochet stitch. I hope that gets lots of projects going for you and a lot of creative ideas, and you have a happy time crocheting. Thank you for watching, and happy crocheting.